Hello viewers, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that each and every new video with a notification you receive and learn something about the AutoCAD or any other software. So let's get started. Today our topic is about the scale command, that how can we use and modify the different things in AutoCAD through the scale command. There are two parts of the scale command. The one is scale copy and the second one is scale reference. So let's get started. First of all, open your AutoCAD, any version that you are using, that you have installed in your system. Open that in your system, and let's get started. This is the square of 20 by 20 feet. Let me check the dimensions. First of all, I have to set the unit. So this is the square of 20 feet by 20 feet. You can see here 20 feet by 20 feet. So I want to scale this and increase the size of this twice. It means that if this circle is 20 feet by 20 feet, so I want this circle 40 by 40 feet. So let's get started. Just first of all, enter SC and select object, then enter, specify the base point. This is the base point I have specified. Now I want to scale this object, increase its size twice. So the size of this object, the size of this square before was 20 feet. So now I want the size 40 feet. So I need to press 2 and then enter. So now you can see the size of the object, the size of the square has increased. Let me check the dimension. So it's verified. You can see here it was before the scale command it was 20 feet and now it's 40 feet. So this is how we use the scale command in AutoCAD. So the next thing we have to do is scale command copy. SC enter. Let me check the dimension of this. (40 feet). Now SC enter, select this object and then enter, specify the base point, and then what I want another copy of this object. The original object will be here, but now I want another copy of this object, so I will enter C. What should be the size of the copy object? The size of the copy object, for example, if the original object is 40 feet by 40 feet, now I want the other object to reduce it to the 20 feet by 20 feet. So now I will enter 0.5. Now you can see the original object, the original square is here. Its size is 40 feet by 40 feet. Now I have another square which size is 20 feet by 20 feet. You can check it here through the dimension command like this. This is 20 feet by 20 feet and this is 40 feet by 40 feet. So this is how we use the scale copy command in AutoCAD. Now the other thing we have to check it here is the scale command related to the reference. So let me check the scale command reference. Now I want to take a shape like a rectangle, like here 5 feet, 5 feet. This is the object which is 5 feet by 5 feet. Now I want this object to increase its size to the 10 feet by 10 feet. So the first thing I need to do is to just take a line from here and offset this line to the 10 feet. This is the 10 feet line. Now I want to increase the size of this object. Now I want to increase this square. So how can I increase it through the reference? So first of all, I have to write SC, enter scale command, select the object, and then enter, specify the base point, the first base point. Here is the first base point. Now I want to increase its size through reference, so I will enter R and then specify the second command, the second point, and specify the end point. And now I want to increase this through here, and now you can see I have to delete these both lines, reference line, so I have deleted. Now you can see the size of this object, like it was before the scale command. It was 5 feet by 5 feet, and now its size is increased with the reference command, scale reference command, 10 feet by 10 feet. So I hope you understand this video. For more videos, kindly subscribe my channel so that each and every knowledgeable video you receive notification. Thank you so much for watching my video.